Welcome guys, I hope you will be fine and doing well. This is 2014 Toyota Auris 1.8 liter petrol hybrid engine is there with automatic transmission, 33,300 miles on clock, black in color, no scratches or major dent at all, condition is fine, looking good. Beautiful silverish alloy rim is there with locking wheel nut, Toyota logo is there. All the tires and rims are great, excellent in condition, interior exterior both are looking fine. Front and back parking sensors, reverse camera is there, sat nav is working, mobile phone Bluetooth connectivity, automatic climate zone option is there in this Toyota Auris. It is available at the car traders with mechanical warranty and breakdown cover. You can visit the website of the car traders as well. The website link will be in the description box. Thecartraders.co.uk, many vehicles updated on the website, so you can check the website very easily. Beautiful front and rear headlights are there. Even the finance option is also available. You can apply finance on this. This is the driver's side door and 4 automatic switches to control the window. Side mirrors are powered mirror and rotatable as well. And we can use this feature with the help of key. The Auris is on, engine is running at the moment, but as it is petrol hybrid, so that's why it's not making any sound. Beautiful hybrid batteries there, everything is working excellent. Just have a look. Reverse camera, front and back parking sensors, cruise control, media control is there at steering wheel, manual handbrake is there, and front couple of seats are heated seats. It has 2 keys, EV mode, eco mode, power mode option is there in this Toyota Auris. This is the right rear door. At both the rear doors we have automatic switches with bass boosted speakers. Interior is nice, neat and clean. Leather seats are there. Quite impressive look is there. And massive trunk space is there in the booth with parcel shelf. And massive space is there underneath this as well, with spare tire as well. This is the left rear door, just similar to right rear door. And finally the passenger side door, left side door of Toyota Auris. So I hope you guys got it. Thank you for watching this video guys. Thank you.
Come visit us today and discover why discerning drivers choose the car traders for all their automotive needs. Your dream car awaits, and we're here to help you find it.